Did you know that digital marketing is the key to endless opportunities online? Whether you're starting a business, building a brand, or just simply earning some extra income online, digital marketing can get you there. Hi, I'm Arnice, and I am here to help midlife women get up and going on their journeys in digital marketing. Today I will be breaking down what is digital marketing and why is it so powerful. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about promoting products, services, or even yourselves online. It's how businesses and individuals connect with their audience using tools like social media, email, and websites. Think about it. Almost everybody is online today, whether they stroll in or searching or emailing. Everybody is doing digital marketing. That's how they're reaching and engaging with the people right where they are. Why I feel that is so perfect for us midlifers? Because, for one, experience as an advantage, your life experience, communication skills, and unique perspectives is a value in digital marketing. You already ahead of the game when it comes to connecting with others. Accessible. What's great about digital marketing is you don't even need a degree or even be tech savvy. You learn as you go. That's the beauty about it. And flexibility. Plus is a big old plus. Digital marketing is so flexible because you can work from the comfort of your own home. You can set your own schedule. You can focus on your passion, your niche, what you're aiming towards and your goals by being flexible and having that flexibility in your life. The three key areas in digital marketing. It's all about reaching on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. You can share your post. You can share your stories. That's how you connect with your audience, your target audience that you're aiming for within your niche. Then you have the email marketing. Email marketing helps build personal connections by sending messages directly to someone else's inbox. And it's a powerful tool. Email marketing is today's new day. It's the most powerful way to build trust and loyalty within your clients. Content marketing. With content marketing, you can create valuable content like blogs, videos, or podcasts, or educate, or entertain your audience. It's all type of niches, but pick the one that you're passionate about. SEOs, search engine optimization, or SEOs. It's about helping. That there tool alone it helps getting your content to show up on the different platforms, Google search, and all the other search engines as well. Digital marketing is real. And if you're ready and serious about getting up and going on your journeys in digital marketing, because skills pays the bills, Remember that. When I first invested in myself back in April, I got started. I invested in myself. I started learning and developing these high income digital marketing skills that's helping me get my business up and going from scratch. And with the one product that I invested myself in, it's going to help you as a beginner get up and going, learning and developing high income digital marketing skills. That's going to help you build that online business that you want for yourselves. Building that future for yourselves going into the new year. Come manifest with arniche.com. Link down below in the description. You will not be disappointed in investing into your future. Digital marketing is the new way. Come learn these skills and manifest with arniche.com. Link down below in the description. I'm here for you.